Hey y'all, I just did a little modification to my poor old Galaxy. The old RMR motor keeps on seizing up, and I was running it tonight and it smelled like it was starting to burn, so took it out. Put this, I guess you'd call it a McMarco. It's got the outer halves off of Macmillan, and it's got the, what's that called, stator, whatever, and the field winding assembly out of a Marco that had bad bearings, which it was in this Lakewood 223, which I'm pillaging parts for my another one I got, but I stuck it in here. Fits pretty good. Drives the Galaxy big Galaxy blade better than the RMR did. So yeah, this is one of my childhood fans. Well, like the one I had when I was a kid, but anyways, let's throw this blade on here real quick, see how she goes. Yeah. Come on. All right. Well, it was like tires and kick the fires. That's freaking medium. High. Ain't much of a low.